Hi, I am the net worth chick. I am all about the Benjamins, the dineros, the dollars, the loot, whatever you call your money. Thank you for checking out my channel. Here you will find out how to increase your net worth from repairing your credit to how to make more money. Please subscribe so that you won't miss a thing. Now let's get to it. How to decrease your credit utilization. Why is this important? Because bad credit costs you money. If you purchase a car for $25,000 and your interest rate on your loan is 3%, you will pay $445 a month over 60 months. Now you purchase that same car with a loan that has a 15% interest rate, you'll pay $600 a month for 60 months. That's an extra $9,300 in interest. Okay, that's too much. Bad credit does cost us money. So let's talk about credit utilization. It accounts for 30% of your credit score. So it deserves our attention if we want a 700 or above credit score. Credit utilization is how much of your credit limits you are using. If you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000 and you have a balance of $500, your credit utilization is going to be 50%. A good credit utilization percentage is 10%. So with that $1,000 credit card, you will only want to spend $100. There are two ways to decrease your credit utilization. One is to pay down the balance and the other one is to get more credit. So to pay down the balance, you must have money saved up. If you don't have money saved up, then let's go to the next option, get more credit. So there are two ways to get more credit. If you already have credit cards, you can call your credit card companies and ask them to increase your credit limit. You only want to do this if you have good credit and you have been making your credit card payments to that credit card company on time. If you do not have good credit, this is not something an option for you, because it will put you under the radar. They'll check out your credit, and if they see something they do not like, they can close down your credit card. So again, if you don't have good credit, do not request to get your credit limit increased. The other way is to apply for more credit. You may be asking, well, if I have bad credit, how can I get more credit? Well, you can get secured credit cards. And again, you want to make sure that you get secured credit cards that will turn unsecured over time. Check out my video on, I'll put the link below so that you'll know which one to take a look at. Can't remember the name of it right now. But again, with secured credit cards, guess what? You have to have money saved up. If you don't have money saved up, then this is not an option for you. The other one is an option for you if you have bad credit and not enough money to get a secured credit card. You can find companies that will offer people with bad credit credit. You can search the internet to find these companies, or you can check out Credit Secrets. Their link is below to see if it's something that you would want to get from them. Because what Credit Secret does is they search out these companies all the time, and they always have about 4 different companies that will loan money to people with bad credit, or give credit to people that have bad credit to help you to reestablish your credit. Again, I'll have their link below. Now, when you have bad credit, it's going to cost you money. So remember the example with the car. It's an extra $9,300, and that's only if your interest rate is like 15%. Some people have higher car loan interest rates than that. So you can take that money, some of that money that it's going to cost you to have bad credit and repair your credit. And once your credit is repaired, once it is golden, the rewards will definitely outweigh the amount of money that you spent to repair your credit. So bad credits, with bad credit, you pay more for cars, houses, credit cards, insurance. People miss out on jobs because guess what? Potential employers, they check your credit too. So let's make our credit golden, 700 and above. Give yourself about a year to complete this journey. Please subscribe and share and put your questions and comments in the section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you